Welcome to our journey through Prince Edward Island, a stunning province in Canada known for its lush landscapes, rich history, and charming rural atmosphere. Located on the east coast of the country, PEI is the smallest province in Canada, both in terms of population and land area. Despite its size, PEI offers an impressive array of natural beauty and outdoor experiences. Prince Edward Island is renowned for its dramatic coastline sculpted by the relentless forces of the sea and wind over millennia. The island's rugged beauty is a testament to the power of nature, where every cliff and rock formation tells a story of time and tide. The island is embraced by over 800 kilometers of coastline, a testament to its intimate relationship with the Atlantic Ocean. From above, the sweeping views of the coastline reveal a landscape that is both wild and serene, a perfect harmony of land and sea. Here, towering cliffs of vibrant red sandstone rise majestically from the sea, their layered formations revealing the passage of geological time. These cliffs are not just a visual marvel, but also a geological treasure offering insights into the Earth's ancient past. The beaches of PEI are equally captivating, with their soft, red sands stretching for miles along the coast. These sands, unique in their hue, create a striking contrast against the blue waters, making them a favorite spot for both locals and tourists. These pristine shores offer a tranquil escape, inviting visitors to wander along the water's edge, their feet sinking into the warm sand. The gentle lapping of the waves and the soft, inviting sands make for a perfect setting to relax and unwind. The rhythmic crash of waves provides a soothing soundtrack, creating a sense of serenity that pervades the island's coastal regions. This natural symphony, combined with the fresh sea breeze, rejuvenates the soul and calms the mind. Seals can be spotted basking on offshore rocks, their sleek forms glistening in the sun as they watch the world go by. These playful creatures add a touch of life to the rugged coastline, reminding us of the rich biodiversity that thrives here. Kayaking along the shoreline reveals hidden coves and inlets where the power of the ocean is palpable. Each paddle stroke brings a new discovery, from secluded beaches to dramatic rock formations, making it an adventure like no other. As the sun begins its descent, casting a warm glow across the water, the cliffs and beaches of PEI are bathed in a golden light. This magical hour transforms the landscape, highlighting the island's natural beauty and creating unforgettable memories for all who witness it. Venturing inland from the dramatic coastline, one is immediately struck by the serene beauty that lies beyond the shore. Here one encounters a different facet of Prince Edward Island's charm, a landscape that feels like a step back in time. It's a verdant tapestry of rolling green hills and meticulously cultivated farmland, where every field tells a story of hard work and dedication. The rich, fertile soil of PEI has earned it the moniker the Garden of the Gulf, a name that speaks volumes about its agricultural bounty, and it's easy to see why. The land here is lush and green, a testament to the island's natural fertility. Vast stretches of farmland extend as far as the eye can see, creating a sense of endless possibility and abundance. The landscape is a patchwork quilt of vibrant greens and browns that speak to the island's rich agricultural heritage and the careful stewardship of its farmers. Here, farmers cultivate a bounty of crops, including potatoes, the island's most celebrated export, which are renowned for their quality and flavor. Driving along the island's quiet country roads, one is greeted by the sight of these sprawling potato fields, a symbol of the island's agricultural prowess. The rows of crops stretch towards the horizon like lines on a canvas, each one meticulously planted and cared for. It's a sight that evokes a sense of calm and order, a reminder of the rhythms of nature and the cycles of the seasons. Dotted amongst the farmlands are charming villages, each with its own unique character and history, offering a glimpse into the island's past. These villages are more than just places to live. They are communities where traditions are kept alive and stories are passed down through generations. These quaint settlements offer a glimpse into island life, with their friendly locals, welcoming cafes, and traditional architecture that harks back to simpler times. The gentle rolling hills, the patchwork fields, and the charming villages create a sense of peace and tranquility that is both restorative and inspiring. It's a place where one can truly connect with nature, find solace in the quiet beauty of the landscape, and feel a deep sense of belonging. Beyond the picturesque farmlands and coastal vistas, Prince Edward Island harbors hidden treasures within its lush forests and meticulously preserved nature reserves. Prince Edward Island National Park stands as a shining example of the island's commitment to conservation. Stretching along the island's north shore, this park encompasses a diverse range of ecosystems, from windswept dunes and pristine beaches to tranquil wetlands and dense woodlands. Stepping into these woods is akin to entering another world. The air is thick with the scent of pine needles and damp earth, and the sunlight filters through the canopy, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. The forest floor is a tapestry of life, carpeted in a verdant layer of ferns, mosses and wildflowers. The park is a haven for hikers, with miles of well-maintained trails winding their way through the forests and along the coast. The gentle rustling of leaves, the babbling of brooks and the calls of unseen birds create a sense of peace and serenity that is both restorative and rejuvenating. Prince Edward Island, with its diverse habitats and location along the Atlantic Flyway, emerges as a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts and birdwatchers alike. For birdwatchers, PEI is a true delight. The island's unique position makes it a hotspot for a variety of bird species, both common and rare. As a crucial stopover point for migratory birds making their way between breeding grounds in the Arctic and wintering grounds in the south, the island's shores, wetlands and forests come alive with a symphony of birdsong each spring and fall. The wetlands in particular are teeming with life, offering a sanctuary for numerous bird species. Binoculars in hand, one can witness the graceful flight of ospreys as they circle overhead, their keen eyes scanning the water for fish. Bald eagles, with their majestic wingspans and piercing gaze, perch atop towering trees, surveying their domain. In the forests and fields, white-tailed deer graze peacefully, their large eyes alert to any movement. Red foxes, with their russet coats and bushy tails, dart through the undergrowth, their cunning and agility on full display. The island's diverse ecosystems support a wide range of wildlife, making every visit a new adventure. Whether you're an avid birder, a wildlife photographer, or simply someone who appreciates the wonders of the natural world, PEI offers a unique opportunity to observe creatures great and small in their natural habitat. The island's commitment to conservation ensures that these natural wonders will be preserved for generations to come, making it a must-visit destination for nature lovers. Prince Edward Island is perhaps best known as the beloved setting of Lucy Maud Montgomery's cherished novel, Anne of Green Gables. The story of the imaginative and spirited red-haired orphan has captured the hearts of readers for over a century, and the island itself has become synonymous with Anne's fictional world. A visit to PEI offers a chance to step into the pages of the novel and experience the magic firsthand. The Green Gables Heritage Place, located within Prince Edward Island National Park, is a must-see for any fan here. You can explore the charming farmhouse that served as the inspiration for Anne's home, complete with its gabled roof and green shutters. Wander through the rooms, each filled with period furnishings, and imagine Anne's infectious laughter echoing through the halls. The spirit of Anne of Green Gables permeates Prince Edward Island, infusing the landscape with a sense of wonder and enchantment. Prince Edward Island, while often considered a single entity, is actually an archipelago, a collection of islands and islets scattered across the Gulf of St. Lawrence. Basin Head, with its iconic singing sands, is a must-visit. As you stroll along the shoreline, the sand beneath your feet emits a curious squeaking sound, a phenomenon caused by the unique shape and silica content of the grains. Cove Head Bay, nestled within Prince Edward Island National Park, offers a haven for kayakers and paddleboarders. Glide across the tranquil waters, surrounded by the sights and sounds of nature. For those seeking a more secluded escape, the smaller islands surrounding PEI offer a world of their own. These often overlooked gems harbour hidden coves, pristine beaches, and an abundance of wildlife, offering a true sense of tranquility and escape. As you explore the islands and bays of PEI, you'll discover a world of hidden treasures, each with its own unique charm and allure. Prince Edward Island, influenced by its maritime location, experiences a temperate climate that paints the island in a different light with each passing season. Spring arrives on the island with a burst of colour as wildflowers carpet the meadows and fields in hues of yellow, purple and white. Summer brings warm, sunny days, perfect for strolling along the beaches, swimming in the refreshing waters of the Gulf of St. Lawrence, or enjoying a picnic lunch amidst the beauty of the island's parks and gardens. As summer transitions into autumn, the island undergoes a dramatic transformation. The leaves of maple, birch and oak trees erupt in a fiery display of reds, oranges and yellows, creating a breathtaking spectacle that draws visitors from far and wide. Winter blankets the island in a serene white cloak, transforming the landscape into a winter wonderland. Each season brings its own unique charm to Prince Edward Island, offering something for everyone, regardless of the time of year. Prince Edward Island is a natural gem combining breathtaking coastal views, serene forests and vibrant farmlands. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or simply seeking a peaceful getaway, PEI offers a diverse range of landscapes and experiences that highlight the beauty of Canada's maritime provinces. It is an ideal place to immerse yourself in nature, explore the outdoors, and connect with the island's rich cultural heritage.